That's mayo?
That's disgusting.
That is, come on. Look how soggy.
I'm just getting like Ed vibes right now. You know Ed with the mayo and the hair? That's what I'm getting right now.
Ed and Rose.
He would just scoop up a little bit and be like, I'm good now.
I would be furious if I asked for, you know what though? I'm not gonna, you're gonna throw up. When I put mustard on my sandwiches, it looks like this. The more mustard, the happier Joss. I love mustard. I could eat about a spoonful. I'm sorry. What's going on, guys? I'm one of your hosts, Joss Bedard.
How's it going, guys? I'm your other host, Jared Bronstein.
And stick around because we got some bloopers at the end.
But for now, I think, you know, I'm getting a little hungry. It's almost lunchtime. Let's look at some food videos maybe, you know?
Wait, what? Someone handed them a plate of cheese?
Poutine maybe?
Oh, come on.
Maybe? Maybe?
Come on.
I think.
Oh, someone ordered cheese fries, probably.
That's what it is. Cheese fries are huge in the States.
Different.
Cheese fries are like...
Is that orange melted, like chili cheese? This makes me hungry, yeah.
So I want it in my mouth.
What is that?
It looks like a sock. That's a hot dog? That's not a hot dog though.
Ice cream sandwich.
Are you kidding me? I thought underneath that was a hot dog.
Bro, I had no idea what that was.
Oh my god,
Like,
that's how wrong this is.
but that technically is an ice cream sandwich. Technically speaking here, they're not wrong. They are not wrong. This is a fact by the book that is a sandwich of ice cream.
Yeah. Go.
A blueberry muffin. You gotta ask for a blueberries muffin.
Are you kidding? Come on.
I mean, again, like the ice cream sandwich, technically this is a blueberry muffin.
Like literally
it's just a blueberry
muffin. That muffin looks pretty freaking bland though.
It looks good though. This is one of those muffins that you bite into and it's like...
Kinda looks like a scone.
It tastes, you can tell this is one of those like really, I can't describe the taste, but it's one of those muffins.
Sour, come on, come on.
They are,
no.
it's.
Can you stop giving them this like rite of passage?
But they're not wrong. Like it's as much
wrong.
as I want to be angry, I also want to laugh and like give the person a high five and just be like, nice. That's all I would say, it's just nice. Like I wouldn't be like, good job.
You're very annoying if you do this to someone.
But this is funny.
Put this in a container on the side. This could be an allergy.
But it could also be very funny if it's not an allergy.
Hilarious.
Like this is something that if it happened to me, I'd be mad. But if it happened to my friend, I'd be like, what an idiot. Oh, it's on the side. I get it. Like if you think about it,
you'd be so
it is kind of funny.
Condiments at Taco Bell.
Stop that. Don't eat that. That's not food.
Instead of giving the customer their fire sauce, Taco Bell decided they could use some floor cleaner instead.
So they're dead? Isn't that poison?
They probably tasted it right away and spit it out.
Ew, tell me how you mix up hot sauce and like floor cleaner. The textures, the colors, the smell.
I feel like floor cleaner is usually like a clear liquid, like bleach.
You would smell that.
And hot sauce is usually red.
And hot and just, you can smell it.
One's usually a liquid and one's usually much thicker.
That
the sauce being the thicker one.
That's so weird. That ain't right. I feel like that had a different,
someone got
planned
fired.
that or something, cause you would know.
Boy sandwich with a free kitchen knife.
Oh my god,
Anybody's
stop.
gonna get free stuff. It's gonna be me.
Imagine your surprise when you open your sandwich and see a knife.
Gosh.
It's not really something that goes well with your ham and cheese sub. This also could have been pretty dangerous if this customer was one of those people who just ripped the wrapper
Absolutely.
open to get
What if
the
it was
sandwich.
a kid?
If that happened, there would be a serious injury on that
What if it was like a
person's hands
child?
and could result in some pretty dire consequences
what I do.
for that
I just
Subway
rip
and
it
the
open and eat.
employee who did this.
We should sue you.
Actually, no, I don't. Normally what I do is when I get like my turkey bacon, is you have to open it up because for some reason they just put all the bacon on like one side of the sandwich. You notice that?
I don't get bacon.
If you know, they never evenly distribute it. And I'm like, it's not that hard.
Gotta
Just
spread it out.
Put it across the whole sandwich. It's just off to one side. So it's like one bite is just turkey, one bite's a lot of bacon and some turkey. And I'm just like, why do I keep ordering from this place?
I've always wanted to work at Subway.
Really?
Oh yeah.
Why?
It's like my favorite fast food.
McDonald's extra crunchy hash
Is that
brown.
a bat?
No, I'm gonna throw up.
I'm sorry, what? No. What is
There
that?
aren't a lot of things in this world more satisfying than a greasy, crispy
Yummy.
potato
I almost had
for
McDonald's for breakfast,
However,
but I didn't.
sometimes fast food breakfast can be more than disappointing.
What was that actually a bat?
It was a bug? Oh, maybe it's a cockroach?
Ew.
I don't know what that was, but that was something pretty disgusting. And I feel like they're gonna comment being like, why do you think that was a bat, Jared, you idiot? Because I saw it quickly, that's why.
It did look like a bat.
It looks like a bat.
wing. It was different. I
like
agree.
a small bat, a baby bat.
I got your back on this.
Thank you. That could be a bat, easily.
It does.
But what is it? A cockroach, maybe?
I don't want to know. I don't even care.
Is it? It's cooked in the.
That happened in like production.
It got deep fried. That's what happened. It probably fell in the deep fryer when they deep fried and pulled it out.
Vomit.
This. In 2016, a customer walked into
No
a quick
chance.
restaurant in France, ordered some fried chicken,
No
and
chance.
was promptly given a deep-fried bird head.
That can't. There's no possible way you fried a chicken's head and served that.
I mean, I think they did.
It was probably just mixed in the nuggets and they
Yeah,
just
it's probably
put it
all
in.
mixed up. But that actually gets me thinking, how do they make nuggets?
Well, they come in those
Like
shapes
they
and breaded.
what, like they form them with their hands,
I don't
I guess?
know.
Like
I
how
don't
would they?
want to know what happens at the
Because
slaughterhouse.
now that I'm thinking about chickens, like chicken is not ever, like a rotisserie chicken, it does not resemble a chicken nugget whatsoever. So how do they get it to be that form?
They do what you're doing.
That's
like,
very
like
odd.
a burger patty, the same thing probably.
Yeah, I guess.
Ew, don't ruin chicken nuggets
Yeah,
for me.
I don't know, it's a weird one. Now that I'm thinking about it, it's very weird. Never thought about that. Well, I got a lot of thinking to do, guys, so we're gonna wrap this video up. My day is pretty much ruined thinking about the chicken nuggets, but I'm gonna do my research. I've been one of your hosts, Jared Bronston.
I've been your other host, Josh Bernard. We'll see you in the next one.
Got some bloopers.
Oh, here he goes. I know you hate every
It's like
thought of that.
repulsive, dude. Repulsive. I was telling Eamon I'd rather eat dog mustard.
Oh, you're so dramatic.
That's not even being dramatic, that's just a fact. Like, there's literally no difference in taste.
Oh my god. A little hi. Hi, hello.
Hi, hello.
Hi, hey, hello.
You know who we are. Back at it.
Alright, we'll just say bloopers at the end. Oh, I just spit. Sorry. It probably went on you.
Yep.
Oops.
Nah, can you move over a little bit? Please? Always gotta say please. This girl just...
It's called manners.
Yeah,
when
you
you're
know
talking
what?
to another
Some
lady.
manners is giving me my space, bro.
Bro, get the out of here.
I've been hanging out with Che way too much, eh? I've been starting to pick up his mannerisms like a... That's all stuff he does. I'm hanging out with Che too much.
Well, I don't like it. It's like
I'm turned into a beautiful man like him.
Unless you're on a thumb.
That's like the ultimate.
Yummy.
That's like the ultimate demise. A mustardy thumb.
I used to work at Tim Hortons and people would complain often about
Like,
like
this is
there's not enough filling or there's not enough fruit in this muffin.
I worked at Starbucks, so you don't even know what I deal with. Like that was like,
Bro,
it's
Tim's
like
is
Tim
way
Hortons
more
times
ghetto
100.
than bougie Starbucks.
That's what I mean. So that's why at Starbucks they're just like, if I'm paying $4 for this coffee, I expect it to be 25% milk, 37%
wrong.
heat, 45% foam, and 10%. I don't give a.
Well, if you're charging me $8 for a large latte, I deserve
Bro,
that.
you know what you're getting when you come in there.
Yeah.
It's not like you're surprised.
Perfection.
It's not like you're like, whoa, I didn't realize the coffee was gonna cost me an arm and a leg. No, it's not. It's gonna cost you 2 arms, 2 legs, and your whole wallet.
It is good stuff though. I'm not
Starbucks?
gonna lie. Yeah, I like Starbucks a
I do
lot.
too.